Hi everyone, today is the class first. What is the recommender system? I'm Yaoyao Qian and you can also call me Freax. And today we are gonna break out what a recommender system is and how it works and what steps are involved in design one. Even if you are completely new to the concept, don't worry, you will get it by the end. And at first, we'd like to introduce what is a recommender system. A recommender system is like a smart assistant that helps users find things they might like, whether it's movies, music, products, or even friends on social media. Recommender system analyze your preference and behavior to suggest personalized content. Here is a simple example. Imagine you walk into a bookstore and the store owner already knows that you love science fiction. Instead of showing you the entire store, they'll take you straight to a shelf filled with sci-fi novels. That's basically what a recommender system does. Makes your choice easier and faster. And here are some examples of the real world. You probably use recommender system without even realizing it. Netflix or YouTube suggesting shows or videos you might like. Spotify building a daily playlist based on your favorite songs. Amazon or eBay recommending products that match your recent searches. TikTok or Instagram showing content that aligns with what you engage with most. Recommender systems are everywhere because they help improve user experience and drive engagement. Now let's talk about how do recommender systems work. To understand how these systems work, let's break them in two main types with simple examples. The first one is collaborative filtering. This method based on the idea that people with similar tastes like similar things. For example, imagine two friends, Alex and Mia. Alex loves action movies like Avengers and Spider-Man. Mia also loves Avengers, but she hasn't watched Spider-Man yet. A collaborative filtering-based system might say, "Hey Mia, since you and Alex both love Avengers, you might also enjoy Spider-Man." It's like asking for recommendations from friends with similar interests. The system groups users with shared preference and suggests what's popular among that group. The second one is content-based filtering. Instead of looking at what others like, this method focuses on the characteristics of items themselves. Let's say you are at a coffee shop and order a caramel latte. The barista might suggest if you like caramel lattes, you probably enjoy a caramel macchiato too. Here, the recommendation is based on the features, the flavor, the coffee based, rather than anyone else's preference. In a movie recommender system, if you watch a lot of science fiction movies, the system will suggest other science fiction titles because they share similar traits like themes or directors. And the next one is hybrid recommender system. Many real-world systems use a combination of both collaborative and content-based methods. For example, if you buy a pair of running shoes online, a hybrid system might recommend shoes that are similar in color, size, and style, or items that other running shoes buyers often purchase, like sports socks or gym gear. By blending these approaches, hybrid system can provide more accurate and well-rounded recommendations. And here are some steps to design a recommender system. Building a recommender system might sound complex, but if we break it into small steps, it might be manageable. Even for a demo project, here's how you can think about it. The first step is define your goal. Ask yourself, what do you want to recommend? Movies suggest based on genres or user reviews. Products look at the purchase history or browsing habits. But step 2 is collect data. Data is the heart of any recommender system. You need two types: user data, what users like, dislike, rate, or watch. Item data, details about items themselves, like movie genres, directors, product categories. For beginners, you can use pre-existing datasets or even create a small sample manually. The next step is choose an approach. Use collaborative filtering if you have a lot of user interaction data, like ratings. Use content-based filtering if you know a lot about items themselves, like genres. Combine both for better accuracy. And the next step is build and test. Even a basic recommender system can build with simple tools. For example, use Python. Or use Streamlit to create a simple application that shows recommendations in clear and interactive way. Now you may know what recommender system is, and it might sound technical, but they are really just tools designed to ask one simple question: what might you like next? Think of them as a helpful bookstore clerk who knows your favorite genre, a friend who suggests their favorite restaurant, a movie buff who always had the perfect film recommendations. In the next class, we'll take this concept further by designing a small-scale recommender system from scratch. We'll talk about why JSON is a good data format for demos and why Streamlit is perfect for showcasing your system. Stay tuned, it's going to be fun. And thank you, see you next time.